Lateetud has collaborated with Microsoft to build a solution called ELIXIR for lot or sample inspection for the life sciences industry. Digitizing operations in manufacturing companies yields impressive cost savings and growth impact. When done right and at scale, it can result in reduction in production and supply chain costs. Companies can achieve a 10 to 20% reduction in production and supply chain costs through digitization. By streamlining processes, optimizing resource allocation, and enhancing efficiency, expenses are minimized. Working capital optimization. Digitization can lead to a 15 to 30% cut in working capital. Improved inventory management, faster order fulfillment, and better cash flow management contribute to these savings. Incremental revenue growth. Enhanced productivity from digital operations can drive up to 6% additional revenue growth. By leveraging technology, companies can boost their overall output and capture new opportunities. Lateetud focuses on digital transformation services in the healthcare and life sciences industries and combines this capability with Microsoft technologies like Power Platform, Dynamics 365, Fabric, and Azure to provide these benefits and solve complex challenges. In our fast-paced world, staying at the forefront of technology is essential. Product testing is a critical aspect of development and production, ensuring quality, safety, and the efficacy of industrial products. However, the traditional methods of conducting product testing and managing data can be time-consuming and error-prone, potentially causing negative effects on the integrity of the testing process. That's where our innovative solution, ELIXIR, comes into play. The solution is built on the power of automation and integration, seamlessly connecting different components to create a cohesive ecosystem that serves the needs of both quality assurance professionals and administrators. Let's dive into the two key applications that form the core of the solution. The first is the configuration app. The configuration app serves as the command center for the entire system. Here, administrators can define departments, categories, and products, define test protocols, create test samples and steps, manage user access, configure reports and notifications, and perform bulk import and export of test data. The configuration app automatically creates an environment and testing setup for end users in the quality assurance department to perform their tests. Now let's move to the other side where the associate performs these tests, the testing, verification, and validation app. The heart of this end-user solution lies in the testing and approval system and workflow designed for quality assurance professionals who perform the actual tests. Some of the key features of the app include test execution, data capture, image and document uploads, real-time data validation, and approval. With Power BI, our system provides in-depth data analytics and visualization capabilities that offer complete end-to-end visibility of the testing process. ELIXIR is built on the Microsoft environment, a platform that fosters collaboration and communication among all stakeholders involved in the product setup and testing process. A few key advantages include process automation, end-to-end visibility, document management, and collaboration. As every industry continues to evolve and adapt to new challenges, our solution stands ready to evolve alongside it. To learn more about ELIXIR and how it can transform your enterprise, contact us today.